I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Swift Playgrounds and choosing a template that matches your goal. Pick blank for full control or learn to code for guided steps. Next, set a clear project name and target device so your layouts behave correctly on iPad or Mac. Import any necessary modules early, then create one Swift file and a page to hold experiments. Once done, write a small function or print statement to confirm the runtime. This first action verifies the environment and gives immediate feedback. Now you build the interactive core. Break behavior into functions and lightweight classes so state is easy to follow. Use Live View and Playground support to render UI, and employ async tasks or timers when animations or delayed responses are required. Make small, testable changes and run them. This iterative loop reveals logic gaps quickly. As you refine, test inputs, and edge cases, add concise comments for future use. And save snapshots, often so you can revert if a change breaks expected. Finish by running complete walkthroughs to validate behavior across scenarios. Measure any heavy tasks with simple timers and streamline where needed. Once stable, tidy code, add a README or inline examples, and export or share the playground for reviewers. If something goes wrong, first reproduce the issue, then inspect console logs to find the failing line and isolate it in a minimal test. Make sure to revert to a saved snapshot if you need a known good state. This approach speeds debugging and preserves progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.